How to make your mind peaceful. Now, your mind is working on the basis that it's trying to create peace in your life. It's trying to get you to let go of all those lessons, fears and worries that you're holding onto the body. It's trying to get the eternal flow to flow once more. And so when we understand this, by giving your mind a peaceful job to do, or making it focus on bringing peace to your life, you are then allowing the other parts of the body to come into line and to work with you in letting go of that which is not bringing balance and peace to your life. So here's a couple of little tricks that I use. Sometimes when my mind is overworking, I accept that this is a way for the body to release. I don't attach to it, I don't worry about it. I just know that the brain has brought, or the mind has brought, this information for me to let go of. And if I can't let go of it, then I know that I got a programming, or if I feel it on the body, I know then that there is a lesson to be learned from it. And then that gives me a bit of peace of mind, because we get so wrapped up in that we have a problem or an issue, or we haven't done something, or we've not created something, or whatever, that we actually start to worry and fear. And then the energy is attracting more of a similar energy trapped on the body to let go of. And so that takes us away from peace. So once we understand how the mind works, give your mind a job to do. One of the simple tricks that I use is I ask the mind to focus on that which is nothing, that is a part of everything, which is basically the eternal flow, or the connection to everything. And when the mind knows that it can tap into and let go of all this emotions and fears through that, then, or it has a job to do, it will find that it will resort back to being at peace. So once you understand that the mind, the body and the soul are all working together to bring balance and peace, then you have to let go of all that which is stopping you from being peace, that's making you resist or block the automatic flow of the energy from the universe to be at peace with yourself. And when you understand that you have an eternal flow of energy that might not be at peace as well, then clearing the emotions, meditation, and being at one with yourself will allow automatically to be peace. So it's very important that you understand that if you're feeling out of sorts or whatever, it could be that you're not at peace. You're having an imbalance. And so to align all your mind, body and soul, which is my meditation that I created, cutting the emotional ties, getting into nature, which is an automatic balancer and automatically can bring peace to your life, cleansing, letting go of that which is not flowing in the body. So I hope to be producing a peace sanctuary. So once a week we can all get together and we can share in the experience of expanding the energy, because it's all about the energy within us, on the outside of us, and in objects and everything. Nature, all of it has this peace within it. And once we learn to tap into that, once we learn to connect to that, once we let to allow the eternal flow of our own bodies to become one with everything, then we will feel at peace more often. So once a week on a Wednesday night, we're going to send energy out to your family, your friends, yourself, to create this inner peace. Then we will send energies to the world, and then this will start your good foundation for the week to be flowing in the automatic flow that will bring abundance, happiness, and all the things that you want out of life. Because if you've got a good foundation, then you are starting to attract more of that foundation. So join me on this experience of awakening yourself to get back to nature, to get the eternal flow flowing, on external, allowing, surrendering, no more resistance and blocking the automatic flow of healing, of being connected, being balanced, and allowing the peace to flow by stopping your brain from overthinking, or even just allowing your brain to understand that it's overthinking for a reason or an opportunity to let go of, and not to resist of letting it go. But sometimes by giving it a job, what you're doing is you're stopping it focusing on the lack so that you can work and let go. Even just putting negative thoughts into a box or a stream, just imaginary one, will tell your brain that you've dealt with it and will bring peace to your life. And then it can automatically flow away. Your problems and fears can automatically be solved by the universe, because you're not attaching, you're not resisting, you're not blocking. You're allowing the pure energy of yourself to flow and be at one with the universe, with yourself, with your mind, with your body, with your soul. And then all of a sudden, you open up to a new world where you're tapping into the beauty in all. You're helping each other, you're sharing with each other, you're experiencing with each other, and you're connecting with each other. So join me and speak to you soon.